Alright guys, so we're prepping for the open house right now. We have tons of cars out here, guys. So here's the whole lineup. We still got plenty more to go. Got friends coming in. Yeah. So
what's up guys? It's Donnie here. I just want to let you know it's gonna be a fun day out here at the Driver Motorsports open house, spring open house. Y'all know what y'all doing right now?
Hell no, I'm not certified for this.
I don't even know how to do those.
I don't have my cert.
Whoa, shirt's falling, man. You gotta tighten up.
Oh, bro!
Oh, come on now.
Hey, it's not me. This is Dan.
What are we looking at here?
Check it out. We're looking at this IS300
Woo!
with a 2JZ GTE.
Good God Almighty! Look at that big old turbo.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Looks really good.
We're going to be selling this on consignment, so we don't have a price yet, but we're going to research it a little bit, and it will be for sale soon.
This thing is awesome. Is that a wait?
No, it's a 32.
I was about to say. I got confused for a second. I did. I was like, whoa.
We're going to try and sort out exactly what we're going to do. I'm not here to enter. Oh, I mean, like your car key.
Why can't I have it?
We'll do it a couple times.
What'd he say?
I don't know.
I don't know. Hello. What'd you say? Don't make me take that away from you. Why would you do that?
All right, what we got here, Andrew?
So I got a 2010 Camaro SS Magnuson TBS 2300 supercharger.
Okay.
Fully sized down, making a little round over 600 horsepower. And then did a 15-inch rear conversion with it, with a 4.5 skinny in the front. So I'm a big drag racer, so that's why I do most of my stuff.
Okay.
So more of a straight line guy, but it's always fun to mess around on the streets too. So.
Right, this thing is dope, man. This tire is fat.
Yeah, man.
Ooh.
275 Radial Pro from Mickey Thompson.
Nice.
So sticky as hell. Let's go.
He is calling your name, brother. Are you ready now for it?
Huh?
You ready for it?
Uh-huh.
Kendall. Now, what you ain't telling me, man?
Finally got it done.
What you got in here?
It's a Fox body motor.
Man.
Full Mustang running gear.
That thing sounds awesome. Oh my God.
A little loud.
Sounds good. I don't remember sounding like this last time, that's why I asked. It's like, wait a minute, that's not BMW sounding.
No, when I was down here in December, it had the inline 6 still.
Huh? This thing's dope.
And then I had to have the drive shaft made and had to I probably tried 4 or 5 different left side headers, trying to make it clear that steering shaft. That was the hardest part.
It's looking awesome, man. It's looking awesome.
That's what it's all about right here.
Oh yeah? What you got there? Addicted to details. Nothing wrong with that, man. I can appreciate that.
Oh, I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Gonna take my...
We're here at Driver Motorsports Open House 2019. Get in this. You guys excited?
I am.
What about you guys?
Is everybody excited?
Yeah.
You're shooting straight over Donnie's head.
What?
Straight over Donnie's head.
He's not even paying attention.
You're barely taller than I am. Shut up.
Barely.
Only way he feels bigger is by talking to that.
By like a solid 6 inches bigger. That's what she said.
If I kick you in the you'll be shorter than I will.
Joey.
Joey, what is up, Joey?
Tom Hester Nissan.
Got some awesome stuff over here, dude.
You need some goodies? Contact Tom Hester Nissan. Joey at Tom Hester.
Yes.
We got an M1 block over here. Nismo intercooler.
That is
That's
cool.
pretty badass.
Is that what we have?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are
cell
things
phone
we have
holders.
right here.
Yeah.
phone things. Love those.
Looking good. But man, I got some nice center covers
I
here.
really like that one.
Yeah, that's the V-Spec, R34 V-Spec color.
Cause I see these all the time, but I haven't seen those like that though.
That's R34 V-Spec color.
Oh, and you don't forget, we got food now. What's up, man? I'm just coming over to say what's up. We got Fat Dogs here. Best in town. Right here. Best hot dogs in town. You guys gotta check it out.
Come on out.
Yeah, buddy. What up?
What up, dog?
What's happening? Wait, what kind of engine is in this?
K24
Wow.
Z7.
Nice. Pretty good power for what it is?
300 horsepower.
Woo! Oh yeah. That's a lot. For this little thing right here?
And this is a weak one.
Oh yeah? This thing is probably so much fun. What's going on, brother?
What's up?
Man, you got a clean GTR right here, dude. I swear.
Thank you.
This thing is awesome. Anything done to it in particular?
Not really. I mean, exhaust. It has R35 coils. I just upgraded the brakes.
Okay.
Nothing special.
Nice. Still
much.
clean though. It's really
Yeah.
clean. Love this thing. How long you had it?
About 2-3 years now.
Okay. Interesting. All right.
Dan, really?
You guys want to do this?
Stickers. Get some stickers. Get some stickers.
Instagram,
All right, let's do it.
Hashtag DMOH19.
You gotta subscribe.
Then you get another entry.
Yeah.
What do I go back and unsubscribe?
You down for that?
Woo!
Better than nothing.
Whoa. What we got here? Hey man, let me talk to you about this really quick, man. This thing is awesome, dude.
It's such a struggle, man.
It's a struggle. Why? Why is that?
38 horsepower.
Wow. Like really?
Real
Or-
horsepower. Dynoed it.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I didn't know that was possible.
I didn't know either.
I respect this. I respect it a lot.
3 hours with 38 horsepower.
Oh, you drove 3 hours? That's awesome, bro. Give me some,
Yeah,
man.
it is.
Appreciate it, man. Now that's classic. That's classic right there, man. Shoot. Dude, we got a whole line of cars coming. All right, all right. What's up? All right.
Yeah.
He did. He's fixed it. Yeah. Okay. Raymond edition.
What's your name again, man?
Ray.
Let's see, Ray. All right.
Yeah, Ray bought this car from us. He's since fixed it up quite a bit.
And it looks amazing. Ooh.
Nice, right?
Ooh. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, just got back.
We just got that back from paint. Yep.
I got the notification bell going on.
Oh, you watched the vlogs? Yo, yo, yo.
Whoa.
What's up, man?
What's up, Dad?
Glad you came, bro.
See you, man.
You too. So today is an awesome turnout. We got so many people here and people still rolling in. Freaking awesome. If you guys didn't come, you missed out. Big time.
All right, guys, we're about to take off, literally.
Warming up right now, but
Well, what we about to do here, Tevin?
We're about to send it. We can show you guys what we got going on.
I don't think they made the right decision by giving me the loudspeaker.
You've been going ham.
I've been going off. People been getting mad, but I don't care. You got it? Oh, 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 oh! Oh, there it goes.
What you think, man?
It's awesome.
It's awesome.
Man, I love it. Really like the RX-7 up front. That thing is beautiful.
Which one? The orange one?
Oh, yeah.
That thing is gorgeous. We have a blue one that's amazing.
Where's that at? Is it hiding?
It's at paint. Everything's at paint, man. We got a lot of
all
stuff
the
at paint.
nice ones are in the paint.
Yeah, because we want to get them nicer. You know what I'm saying? Glad to see you guys out here today.
Absolutely.
Wouldn't miss it. Got a nice crowd.
Yeah, we do. We're excited. Turnout is awesome, and they're still rolling in. So
Yeah.
let's see what we got at the top of the parking lot. We got a section down at the bottom, but we got a spot at the top. We're gonna see what's up here. Okay. Whole squad up here. Stock S13 coupe. You don't see these too often. What's up, dog?
Thanks, yeah.
Yo, murdered out. Oh, yeah?
Alright, take a picture of anything here. It could be your favorite car, it could be anything. You could have a selfie in front of the building. Take the picture, post it, use this hashtag, you get the sticker and another ticket for the raffle. Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 we gotta get some of that bag action. Come on now, for the vlog, man.
Just what's happening right there, man.
Woo! Boy, that's what I'm talking about. Will it drive though?
You don't need oil pan. It's just a recommendation.
Oh! Look, man, so I gotta talk to you about this.
Yeah.
That is a must. I don't see them around here at all.
Yeah,
especially this clean.
They're all rusted out.
Yeah, this is really clean, dude. Like, oh my god.
It's a 71 240Z.
Okay.
It had about a year and a half.
What all have you done exactly to this car?
Mechanically, it's got dual Webers, which is pretty common. Swap those carburetors out. It's got aftermarket exhausts, which I might end up swapping for something a little different in the future. Other than that, it's got the stock inline 6 L24 engine.
Man, this thing is dope. Like, I love these. I just don't see them. Ah. Yeah. Heck yeah. I do not see these at all. Squad. Nice.
2 hats.
2 hats.
And 2.
And 2 hoodies.
And 2 hoodies. Maybe if you get lucky. Oh yeah.
How much beer have you drank, Lonnie?
Don't worry about it.
What is
420-5208.
Woo!
You get a t-shirt.
Heck yeah.
What size t-shirt?
2X.
You want the GTR or the 180? GTR.
Excellent.
Those are the 2 X's there.
Here, I got 2X. 2X
Next
t-shirt,
one.
there you go.
Oh
Thank
yeah.
you, sir.
Oh yeah.
3229 5021.
Thank you.
I'm just letting y'all know, Lonnie sucks.
We got a winner! What's up, Mike? Hoodie? What size you wear?
Let's do it.
Getting
You sure?
It's 5091.
You want a hat? You want a shirt?
What you want?
Hoodie? Alright.
Oh,
Get that man a hoodie. Yeah, he deserves a hoodie.
Alright, we're going to give away some dress-up bolts hardware. So first thing we're going to do is valve stem caps.
So he likes that. Hey.
See that?
Yeah, take those inside. Just tell them if you want a
different color. Well, you can give them to a buddy.
Alright, last thing is a dress-up bolts brand new t-shirt, Addicted to Details.
Oh, that's mine. I've already won that. That's mine.
Is that right?
Yeah. I ain't even got a ticket, but I won.
Oh, okay.
5218. Yo.
The neighbors love it.
Take that inside. Tell them inside.
I don't think any of them are here.
That's it. But you're welcome to hang out as long as you want. And we got drinks up here too, just in case you didn't know. So get some drinks and just hang out and check out the cars and enjoy yourself.
All right.
Thank you, everybody.
We're gonna build one of these for drifting.
Ooh, that'd be nice.
I'm gonna have the S13, the Sylvia, but I need a second drift car. So one's getting worked on, the other one I could be drifting. And then vice versa. Pull that one out and rotate it in, work on that one. Otherwise, you miss a bunch of drift events.
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan.
Me too.
I love this one too. Like, I just love the kit, everything.
It's so, and isn't it nice that you have this whole car, and it's like you got her in the back. It's like you get everything in one package.
You know?
Like it's so cool.
Like you can be JDM if you have a family.
Exactly. That's what I like. That's so cool.
Say hi to the camera.
Say what's up.
Hi. It's a Japan car. This is a Japan car.
It is.
Look, the wheel's right there.
Isn't the wheel supposed
to be on the other side?
It's supposed to be over here. But no, it's right here.
So are you saying your dad is driving on the wrong side? No?
This
No.
is a Japan car.
Oh, that's why the steering was on the right side.
Oh, she's smart. She already knows. She knows the deal.
Vano, look, check this out. So if you clap, look what happens to the light. So is it lights on?
Lights on. Okay.
So move.
We wrapping it up. Successful day.
Driver Motorsports Open House 2019 Spring event
Yes.
was a success.
Ha! Starting to rain out here, so we're just trying to get some of these cars, the hood shut. Maybe pull them in if we got to. Man, thank you guys for coming out buying t-shirts. Bought a lot of merch from us. We appreciate it.
What?
Can I trust you with this car, man?
Nah.
Oh, all right.
We ride.
Yo, if you hit a rocket, it's a wrap. Say bye-bye to the vlog.
Bye-bye.
Haha.